Here we have a GoPro Hero 8 and we have 3 batteries for it. 2 of them are genuine and 1 is aftermarket. Here's how you change the batteries, and as you see, this one is an official one, works just fine. And in the charger that we also got is the other genuine one, and we have the aftermarket one right here. It holds charge just fine, but if you look closely, it is puffed up and very hard to put into the GoPro or remove it. And while trying to take it out, even the little lever broke off. So now we're going to explode it. After a few minutes, it's still burning slowly, but so far it's doing nothing. It didn't explode, it just smoked for a few minutes and then nothing else.